Hello. I haven't made a video in a long time. Well, this is for my YouTube anyway. Trying these Lay's chicken and waffles out. I only paid $1.09 for them. So it's not that bad. You see it being 99 cents. I want to talk about how they taste. Let me tell you one thing. This flavor is not going to win. You can taste the maple and the butter. And it's like they tried to make, I don't know. It's like sour cream and onion is mixed with this. Served butter and sour cream and onion. And they thought they was going to fake that for chicken. Let me tell you one thing. I'm a nigga. We know chicken. This ain't chicken. Now maybe I can go upstairs, pop open a bottle of hot sauce, pour it in here, and maybe that tastes better. But I doubt that. With me being a real nigga, I'm gonna really tell you, this is some real bullshit. The Lay's, I'm telling you, I'm coming for your ass. I'm coming right for your ass. It's Black History Month, and you niggas releasing chicken and waffle chips and shit. Black History Month. I'm coming for that ass. That's number two. Number three. You motherfuckers lucky. I'm a real nigga. I'm not gonna waste my money and just throw this shit away. I'm gonna sit here and eat this terrible shit. Yeah. But in the future, y'all thinking about coming out with some flavors? Try some real shit that really tastes good together. I work at Burger King and I seen shit they come out with that's worse than this, that tastes better than this. Well, I guess that'll be it. But it ain't over yet. Hell no. I'm just getting comfortable. This shit is so terrible. If we was to share this with our neighboring country, Canada, they'd probably cut us off. Wasting all their maple sap to make these. And to everybody that's in Canada that see this, don't be mad at us. Please don't be mad at us. Be mad at them. Fucking Lay's company. Be mad at them. Send them angry ass letters and shit. Why they wasting y'all maple syrup to make this shit. Black people, stand up. Gather arms, do something. Come on, man. It's chicken and fucking waffles. We shut these niggas down or what? Well, I guess that's the end of this one. I'll see y'all later when I try the garlic and cheese bread chips. Hopefully they taste better than this. And then they got another one. Yeah, I'll try those and show y'all. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a failure. I hope neither one of these wins. I'm out. I'm sleepy.